Hello, this is Mr. Davis, and I'm showing you today how to start your intro off, how to come up with a really good attention getter, because that's the first thing you have to do in your essay. If you start your essay out super boring, like, I want to be an English teacher when I grow up, or cell phones should not be allowed on campus. Oh my, nobody wants to read that, including your teachers, okay? So you want to start off with an exciting, interesting way to grab people's attention. Now, if you look on the essay formula, over to the side it says, if you want some example of attention getters, click here. I'm going to open that up. And it tells you a bunch of different ways to grab people's attention, and it gives you a bunch of examples of like what these look like. I'm going to teach you today the easiest way to grab someone's attention is with a question. So you ask a question that relates to your essay. I'm writing an essay about becoming an English teacher after high school. So I'm going to ask something like this. Do you hate teenagers? That's going to draw my audience in. It's kind of a funny remark. Maybe you don't think it's funny, but at least it's trying to be. It draws my audience in. It's better than starting with, I want to be an English teacher, because it draws them in. And now I have their attention, so then I can start giving background on, okay, well, I don't hate teenagers, which is why I want to work with high school students, blah, 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 all that good stuff, right? It draws them in. I could also do something like this if I'm writing about English teacher, becoming an English teacher. Do you like reading books? Because even if my audience hates reading books, I'm at least drawing them in with a question they can say yes or no to before I actually start talking about my essay. Again, I don't care which of these attention getters you decide you're going to go with, but make sure you start with an attention getter, and if you're really struggling, just ask an interesting question of the reader that relates to your essay. All right, if you want to see a more complicated version of attention getter, check out the next video.